Welcome to school too. Ha! Ndiala, 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 ndiala. Lele, lele. Nekwaha.
This is one of the students' house. Yes, now.
Which of them?
Esther. That girl that's on no coat.
How much is she?
45,000 naira.
Sister,
how are you?
Fine.
Where is your father?
My father. He went to the backyard and he heard the voice.
what?
Oh, your father went to the backyard because I saw him when I was entering here. Go and fetch me your father.
Jesus is Lord.
Tell him the headmaster of your school is here. I want to see him now.
Welcome to school too.
What is the master?
I'm calling you.
Go and tell them I've committed suicide.
Please, how do you know that?
Shut up your mouth. Go and tell the white person that I've committed suicide. I'm dying.
My father should tell you he has committed suicide.
What?
Your father committed suicide. Come and show me where is your father have committed suicide.
Aya Nisho.
Ndiala, 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 ndiala. Lele, lele. Nekwaha. Achiri. Ghost mode.
Oh, my father. Oh, this is your father. He's dead. He's dead. I will resurrect him today. I'm telling you. I will resurrect you.
Can you imagine?
You cannot die with my school fees. Hey. You can't die with my school fees. Yeah, this way.
You don't die back.
My school
You don't
fees.
die back again.
My school fees.
Oh, headmaster, take it. Just because of school fees.